Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to save Excel as a PDF landscape page. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a student data. So this data I'm going to save as a PDF landscape page. So let's start. Go to the file tab and click on the print option and you can see here the print preview is open. So you can see here the preview, the data of Excel. Okay. If you want to convert this landscape page, just click on this option, drop down arrow, and here the option landscape orientation. Okay, you can see the data is converted in landscape page. Okay, now just in printer option, just click on this drop down arrow and select here the Microsoft Print to PDF. So select it Microsoft Print to PDF and then click on the print. Okay, and here select the destination where you want to save this PDF file. So here the desktop is selected. In this PC, desktop is selected. Okay. So same as here, I save this document student data in desktop. Okay. File type PDF document is already selected. Then click on the save and that's it. Your data is saved in landscape page. Okay. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.